Hello, dear friends. Do you know that there is a delicious and full of health drink in your kitchen that has miraculous health benefits? The best part is that it can make your skin glow, help you sleep better, relieve pain, and even fight sickness. It smells so inviting and cozy. Yes, I'm referring to turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, or haldi doodh in India. For thousands of years, people have consumed this golden yellow milk. Nevertheless, many people are unaware of its true potency. I'll tell you about it in this video. What turmeric milk is actually, what it does for your body, how to make it the right way, when to consume it, and who ought to drink it with care. Stay with me till the end. Let's begin this secret of health. What exactly is turmeric milk? Turmeric powder and milk are the two basic ingredients in turmeric milk. In India and other Asian nations, it is well known. Curcumin is a very unique component of turmeric, which has a brilliant yellow color. So turmeric's tiny ingredient actually helps your body fight off germs, inflammation, pain, and even exhaustion. And, when turmeric is mixed with warm milk, it turns into this super powerful natural remedy. It really helps keep your body healthy, happy, and calm. That's why it's called golden milk, because honestly, it's like health is as precious as gold. Turmeric milk has been used by our grandmothers and mothers for ages. If you were sick, they would give you turmeric milk. If you were feeling sad or weak, well, turmeric milk again. And if you ever got hurt, guess what? Turmeric milk was the answer. It was like the solution to all problems. Even today, a lot of Indian households still drink it before going to bed. And now, science actually agrees that turmeric milk isn't just an old myth. Turmeric milk really does give results. So let's talk about how you can actually use turmeric in your body. Curcumin is the main magical ingredient in turmeric, and it's really what gives turmeric its power. Curcumin helps to stop the body's swelling and pain caused by inflammation. It also works to eliminate pathogens, improve your cognitive abilities, and even restore your cells' youthful health. However, here's a little secret. Curcumin is actually pretty difficult for the body to absorb on its own. So, what's the secret? Well, just a few drops of ghee or coconut oil, or even a small pinch of black pepper can be added. Why does this work? Because black pepper contains piperine, which improves your body's ability to absorb turmeric by, get this, 2,000 times. So, keep this rule in mind. When you're making turmeric milk, black pepper or ghee should always be added. The ideal recipe for turmeric milk is super simple, and you can learn how to make it at home with ease. Alright, so here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup of milk. This could be cow's milk, almond, or really any kind of oat milk you like. Then, you'll want about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, or you can use a small piece of fresh turmeric if you have it. Add just a little bit of black pepper, and if you prefer a sweet taste, go ahead and add half a teaspoon of jaggery or honey, totally optional. You might also want to include a 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil or ghee, again, that's optional. And finally, just a small amount of cardamom or cinnamon can be added for a really pleasant aroma and flavor. Now, let's walk through how to make it. First, heat the milk in a pan over low heat. Then, mix in the turmeric powder slowly. Next, include the black pepper. Let it all simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. After that, put the flame out. Once it's cooled for a few minutes, you can add honey or jaggery if you like things a bit sweet. Ghee or coconut oil can also be added at this point, but that's totally up to you. Finally, just pour yourself a cup and drink it warm. And that's it. The golden milk is prepared. It's easy, nutritious, and honestly, just full of goodness. So how should you take it? Turmeric milk is best consumed at night, right before bedtime. Why is that? Well, turmeric actually works best when your body is calm and resting at night. It helps you unwind, get a good night's sleep, and supports your internal recovery. So if you drink it before bed on a regular basis, you'll notice a few things, like getting better sleep. And when you wake up, you actually feel fresh. Your skin starts to glow, and your digestion system becomes healthier. You can even use this in the morning, but honestly, It's even better if you have it at night. Okay, let's talk about the advantages of turmeric milk and the real effects of drinking this golden milk every day. First, it enhances your immunity. Drinking turmeric milk really strengthens your body like a shield, and if you're feeling stressed or just can't sleep, try drinking this before you go to bed. It'll help you sleep deeply and calm your mind. Third, it reduces swelling and pain. It also helps get rid of acidity, bloating, and gas. Plus, it removes dark spots and pimples from your skin, and it's good for your hair too. And it speeds up fat burning and boosts your metabolism. Pretty amazing, right? So, turmeric milk is especially beneficial for people with weak bones and, women over 40. It can really help improve women's health. Pregnant women can also take advantage of turmeric milk for things like skin glow. But, just a quick reminder, they should always consult their doctor first, since the doctor knows their situation best and can give the right advice. Turmeric milk also keeps you active and honestly improves memory. It's great for students, the elderly, and really anyone else who wants to boost their thinking. Another cool thing is that turmeric milk actually improves your mood. Curcumin helps boost serotonin and dopamine, which are two happy hormones in your brain. I hope you're enjoying this video so far, so if you are, please show your love for it by liking and subscribing to my channel. Now, let's talk about who turmeric milk is for. Honestly, almost everyone can use it. However, the amount does vary a bit. For children aged 5 to 12, it's 1.5 small cups at night. For adults, 1 full cup before bedtime. And for seniors, 1 small cup at night or in the evening. It's natural, safe, and beneficial for the entire family. So, who ought to be cautious? Well, some people should really avoid drinking it. If you have kidney or gallstones, it's best to limit your consumption to about 2 or 3 times per week. And, just keep in mind, having too much of a good thing is also bad. Let's talk about some common errors to avoid. When making turmeric milk, here are 3 mistakes folks often make. First, overuse of turmeric. It can actually be bitter and might cause stomach problems, so half a spoon is enough. Another mistake is using honey in boiling milk. Instead, let the milk cool and get just a little warm before you add honey. For the perfect blend, you'll want to use black pepper and original ghee, like the kind mostly used in Pakistan and India. Without these ingredients, turmeric milk just can't give full benefit to your body. So, always keep in mind. The ideal combination is half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a little ghee. So, what outcomes can you expect? Well, if you drink it every day, here's what happens. After about 3 days, you'll notice that you're sleeping better and feeling more relaxed. Then, after 7 days, your energy levels go up and your skin actually starts to look younger. By the 15th day, inflammation and pain are gone. Your immune system gets a real boost, and you'll just feel fresher overall. But, this only happens if you use it weekly or daily, not just once a year. Did you know that before getting married in India, brides actually drink turmeric milk to help make their skin look better? Because of its color and its healing abilities, it's often called liquid gold. And during the COVID era, folks all around the world started drinking it, and honestly, many of them noticed real improvements in their health and immunity. Friends, now you know how this straightforward yellow beverage can really improve your health. The golden medicine of nature is not just milk. In just 1 cup, it can help you sleep, heal, look good, and stay strong. You don't need any costly supplements or vitamins. Simply sip 1 cup of turmeric milk each night, relax, and let your body naturally heal. Remember, if you want big change, then adopt a daily routine strategy. This is one of those small routines that can actually benefit you for the rest of your life. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. If you think this video will be helpful to someone else, please share it with them. So friends, see you in the next video with a new informative health topic. Until then, stay healthy and be fit.